Hello, it's my pleasure to bring you a mouth-watering recipe, Banga Soup. I hope you will enjoy it. My name is Lydia. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. So this video is coming to you from the heart of Owerri. I got the opportunity to travel last month. We had fun with friends and family, and we made 4 Igbo recipes. So let's get into it right away. I washed the palm nuts and also washed the vegetables. We're going to use ncham and ogiri. I washed the palm nuts and then I boiled it. The meat that I'm using is beef. I've already parboiled it, and now I'm adding onions, and I'm going to add stockfish too, and then I'm going to cook everything together until it's tender. If this is your first time to watch my video, I want to say thank you, and for all my subscribers, I'm giving you a big hug. This is stockfish flakes. I think I like to use flakes. This one has no bone, it's just the flesh. Go ahead and add seasoning. Some water to boil it, and then cook. For those who have not seen ugu leaf before, this is ugu. And this is ncham. We're going to get the good ones, wash them clean, and cut them. So now the palm nut is cooked. I'm going to pound and extract the cream. Please be sure to use warm water to extract the cream. If not, it won't turn out well. Our banga is ready to use. Go ahead and clean any dry fish that you have. Remove the bones if you have kids. If you like what we're doing, please like this video. We'll appreciate you. So once the banga is extracted, go ahead and cook it for like 8 minutes. I like to cook it to make sure that the cream is well cooked. Okay, and once the cream is cooked up to 8 minutes in low heat, you can go ahead and add all the ingredients all together. And once that is done, allow it to cook for 10 minutes, still on low heat, and let all the flavors in the fish and in the whatever ingredients that you're using, let them come out, and then you can add your vegetable, put off the light, and then let it sit for 5 minutes, and your banga is ready. Serve with rice and enjoy. Until I see you next time, have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.